Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you different eyeliner looks. It could be 6 7, I don't know the number, but yeah, many different eyeliner looks. So if you're interested how I got this liner looks, please keep watching. Okay, so number one is the basic liner look. This is a very simple line, very basic, very regular. You can do this anytime. It's very simple, very beginner friendly. So just as a normal line, nothing else. It's very basic. And for the next is the normal wing. Okay, so I've zoomed a little so that you can see. There's a normal wing liner. It's also very basic. Coming to the third, now the complications have begun. This is a doubled wing liner. Just extend. Okay, so this is a continuation of the previous liners. Just extend your lower lash line a bit and just draw another line. It will take time and practice, but yeah, you can do this. And I'm using my favorite liner by Maybelline, by the way. Okay, so also you can this is an option, but you can do this. You can just extend your inner corners a bit to look more preciser. If you want, it's completely optional. You can just skip, and if you want, you can do this. And yep, that's it. I'm feeling a little incomplete, so I've applied kajal to just to give it look more to give it look more pretty. Maybe after applying liner it sorts of look more beautiful. And this is the final result. I hope you like it. And next, for the third liner, this is my favorite among all of that. So this is the cut crease liner. Just apply the normal same liner as we did earlier, and just draw a wing. Make sure the wing is slightly longer than usual, and just continue the wing to your crease. Okay, just make it to the crease, just halfway through, not more than that. And this is not important to be as neat, because anyway we are going to smudge it, and just make it a little bold so the smudging will be easier. And after that, you can take any matte black eyeshadow, that's why I've taken, and just smudge the liner. Just fill in and smudge the liner. And this doesn't have to be so neat, because yeah, this is like sorts of smudge liner. So just smudge your wing till only halfway, like till through your eyeball. Just smudge liner as it is, as I'm doing over here. You can take any glitter. I've taken the Miss Claire Illuminator. You can take any glitter liner, or you can just take anything. And I've just applied to your lid. This looks so pretty, and you can do this or you can skip it. It's totally your call, but this looks very pretty, so that's why I've did. And just make sure you are smudge the two things, like it doesn't look like two different things, but just smudge, and this is the final result. It looks looking beautiful, and yeah, very pretty. This sort of a party look, maybe. It looks very good if you do this in a party. And just struggling applying and removing liner. The fifth is the dramatic wing liner. Okay, so this is very dramatic. Just make sure you apply your liner very close to your eyebrows, and just continue to your entire lid. And yeah, that's it. It will gonna take time and practice, but yeah, you will gonna be soon expert in this liner. I'm just finishing off a bit, making it look seamless. Okay, and yep, that's it. This is the final result. You can leave it like this, and this looks amazing. Yeah, this look also pretty. And that's it. Let's move on to another look, the smudge liner look. Okay, so this is a normal smudge liner. This hasn't to be very neat, because we are going to smudging it. So just apply a normal wing liner as it is, and now we will gonna smudge it. Okay, so for smudging, just take any matte black eyeshadow, and start smudging the liner slightly. Okay, so do this step very very neatly, very slightly. Okay, so this can be tricky, so just be careful. And smudging, just smudge the liner, okay, making it sorts of a wing. Just make sure you just flick it at the end to maintain the wing. Okay, so just do this and just smudge the liner, and it just looks so natural and so pretty. You can do this to your office, college, or something. And that's it, it's look natural. And the last is the angel wings. Okay, so this is can be a little tricky if you are beginner, but yeah, just practice makes a man perfect, yeah. So for that, just make the normal liner and just create a natural wing. And now comes the twist. Okay, so just make a triangle, like I call it triangle. So just make a dot and connect to your liner. Make sure you make the dot to the area you have your crease ending, and just letting it go. And this is the angel look liner. This is a kind of different look which I'm loving is. And just clearing it out a bit. You can also extend your liner to your inner corners and make it, and this looks so beautiful if you extend it looks you're having a big eye, like it elongates your eye a bit. Okay, so that's it. Just cleaning it a bit, just making it look seamless, and just retouching it, and this is the final result. You can leave it like this also, but I want some drama. Okay, that's why I'm taking a matte black eyeshadow again and smudging the lower lash line a bit. And it will look pretty, it will look good, it will look amazing after smudging. You can also do this or you can skip it, it's totally your call if you want to do this or not, but I'm just doing it because I love this. I love some drama, I love eyeliners with some drama, that's why I did. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you try any of the eyeliners that I've shown you, please don't forget to tag me. My Instagram handle is somewhere over here. Okay, so also subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and lots of love for you. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.